But let's start easy. Let's start with the main part. So, short and sweet. How did the drone warfare evolve by now? I think a lot of people presume that it was a bit of a initial drone warfare where there was like some scouting drones, the Bayraktars,
Sure,
bigger
sure.
drones at the beginning. Then we had some evolution where there was more FPV drones. Then were supposedly the fiber optics drones. And where are we now? Like,
Yeah,
can you tell us about the
sure,
regularities and complexities and so on?
sure. So, I would say that it's getting more and more on both sides that, especially in the most intense parts of the battlefield, like Pokrovsk and Kupiansk right now, um, that there's so much REB. That's the Ukrainian term for electronic warfare. Um, that flying regular RF radio electronic drones. Um, is just becoming increasingly difficult. If all you have is a base station antenna, I mean, forget about just having antennas on your controller. That's a non-starter unless you're working at the range of like 100 meters or something. Um, but before, maybe a year ago, you could have a base station set up, maybe like a 7, 8, 9, 10 meter tripod, and you got an antenna on there. You got some Yagis or whatever, and that was good enough for multiple kilometers, maybe 10 kilometers. And now that's not really an option anymore. It's gotta be fiber optic, except in special cases. And so that's why I have the job I have. My background is that I was a network and systems engineer in the United States. I helped build internet infrastructure all across the southwest of the United States, and actually worked as senior network systems engineer at NASA Ames Research Center, um, under contract with another university. Helped build out their fiber optic um, infrastructure on the civilian side. And so, it's great to be able to bring that expertise to bear here.
For sure. And I will be getting some of the questions if they're appropriate. So, guys, feel free to ask your questions. Brad is asking, he says,
Mhm.
maybe a silly question, but why not modify remote control planes like they use at aero clubs for anti drone warfare? I've seen few model jet planes in actions.
Oh yeah, this is actually happening. In one way or another. Um, I'm not currently working on fixed wing systems, but I certainly have that as a plan. It's in the works. We just have to build capacity. Um, so I mean, the answer is it's absolutely happening. Uh, the Russians are doing it, and the Ukrainians are starting to do it. One of the problems is that the Russians are able to scale faster than the Ukrainians are in terms of production, and so they are able to. Ukrainians come up with an idea, and 2 weeks later, the Russians have copied it and have a factory making the damn thing. You know, and that's true for fiber optic drones. The fiber optic drones were brought here to Ukraine first, and the Ukrainians weren't able to scale it up fast enough, and the Russians got there first, and so when you're talking about interceptors in terms of like fixed wing, essentially remote control interceptors. Um, that is being done. You have to understand that these like Shaheds, for example, or also the reconnaissance drones, they do fly quite fast. Okay, so if you're going to intercept them, you really need to have um, either a very fast fixed wing system, or extremely maneuverable, and that is one reason why you see these um, the fixed. I'm sorry, the quadcopter interceptors are generally designed for high maneuverability and high speed, essentially. Now, what is starting to happen is that there are on both sides, okay, there are fixed wing motherships that carry quadcopters. Um, and then act as a like kind of a daisy chain. Sometimes fixed wing fiber optic drones, even they call the Millennia drone that comes from Russia, and it's attacked me today. Well, I mean my area, you know, as I was driving back to my apartment here, I saw the smoke coming up. You know, not very far away. We get 10 to 15 of them a day, and sometimes they are kamikazes. Sometimes they carry um, FPVs or quadcopters of some fashion. And so yeah, there are groups working on that, from an interceptor perspective. And in fact, I created a proposal about that almost a year ago, that there are some groups working on.